Bengal sarees are always special. They have a very subtle but very beautiful look. Any handloom saree which is made in Bengal is very, very popular and loved by handloom lovers across India and around the world, of course. Hello, Avishya fans and handloom saree lovers. Today we have an exclusive collection of actually kurtas. We have an exclusive collection of Danyakali cotton kurtas. This is something new which we've got this summer because lots of customers have asked us for more kurta collections for summer, and we thought we'll experiment with Danyakali to create a line of kurtas which is very distinctive, gives the look and the look and appearance of a Bengal sari, but it's in the comfortable form of a kurta. These kurtas are available in sizes small to XL. So without too much explanation, I'll get directly into showing you the products. Before I show you the product, if you like our videos, because we've been showing you new, not just our saris, but we've been showing you various ethnic products on our channel. If you like our videos, please click on the like button, hit on the sub and hit on and please click on the like button, subscribe to our channel and hit on the bell button. That way you'll ensure that you don't miss any of our new drops. Let's start seeing the kurtas right away. The first one I'm going to show you is a typical Bengali color, the classic lal par. If you look at it, most of these kurtas have stripe patterns and lots of them have vertical stripes. They look very slimming. This one's got broad red and grey bands on the right side and a white on the left side, and it's alternating red and black, almost like Rudraksha motifs on these stripes. Now, one thing about this line of kurtas is it's woven and not printed, so the look is very, very different. The sleeves also have the same edging. If you look at it, one sleeve has the bold stripe, and on this side you have the white pattern with the woven type. The neckline is also very stylish, got a collar neck with a round pot kind of look. The next one which I'm going to show you is a bright yellow kurta. Please look at the neckline. Don't miss the neckline in this. It's almost a curved neckline with a rope and loops running around it. The classic Bengali fish motifs on the stripes along with chevron patterns and bold red sleeves. The next one is an aqua blue. This is a beautiful design. It's got a collar and a V. The collar is dark blue and that pattern comes on the edge of the sleeves and the bottom of the kurta too. The next one is a bright multicolor one. This is also very white and very summery. This is beautiful for summer. Rainbow stripes in the center, white background on either side with nice bold woven stripes. The woven stripes have a maple leaf kind of pattern if you come close by, and then of course the pattern runs through in the sleeves, the same woven stripes. The border at the edge of the kurta is a beautiful ikat pattern. The next one I'm going to show you is an aqua green. This is actually similar to the one I'm wearing, and I want to show you a little detail. For example, this one looks like it'll be tight on the neck, but the buttons have actually been kept on the side, so you can sliding them all over your head is quite easy. So these kurtas not only look good, we've taken care to ensure that they are easily wearable. This has got a beautiful aqua green band in the center and two bands of darker green on the side, and there's a small border on both the sleeves, and this aqua green runs like a DB also. The next kurta I'm going to show you is a beautiful grey. The grey has orange and green stripes. The orange is the classical Bengali fish and then chevron pattern, and then the orange and the green are in the end of the sleeve and on the bottom of the kurta. The next one is a bright and happy pink. It's a very summery pink actually, and it's very delicate because the pink has weaves in white and in grey. And look at this. This is sort of a bluish grey. On one side is the white and the other side is the bluish grey, and the same thing on the sleeve also. The designer has taken care to ensure that the color on the sleeve alternates with the color on the body to give an overall very sort of fluid effect. This also, the neckline is a round and a curved V. The next one is a bright color. It's a beautiful bright red. Got a lovely collar neck with a hexagon kind of pattern. Again, fish and chevron motifs, and then a broad yellow border on the sleeve. This is again a brighter pink. If you look at this, this has got a pink and green, this kurta, and a beautiful blue edging. It's like a V and then a patti, a jubba patti. Stripes across the body. The same pattern comes on the edge of the sleeve and the top itself. The next one is a horizontal pattern, but this is again the Bengalis red. If you look at it, the neckline sort of mirrors the pattern. This pattern has got daisies in yellow and red bands and then bands of red, and the yellow and red band is also available on the neckline and on the edge of this. If you like these kurtas, I'm showing you a few kurtas in this collection. All these kurtas are available in our Chennai store. So if you're living in Chennai, please visit us at our store in Allapet. Our address is 281 TTK Road. We're open all 7 days of the week, 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. So you can come here, check out whether these work for you, try them on and buy. If you're not living in Chennai and you're living anywhere in India, across the world, we ship close to 40 countries. Please go to our website avishya.com and check for Danyakali cotton kurtas, and this entire collection will be available online. You can pick your size. You can refer against the size chart and pick the size you want. In case you have any doubts on the size and the color, our online customer service team will be glad to assist you, and you can take the help and buy online. Suppose you don't want to go to the website, lots of customers just want to buy on WhatsApp. Our WhatsApp number is 73057 77291. I'll repeat it, 73057 77291. Please take a screenshot of any kurta you like and send it on WhatsApp, and our customer service team will be happy to help you. So now the next one. This is again a very, this kurta, if you wear it, will be like you're wearing a Bengal sari. It's a beautiful blue, grey and yellow, and bands of blue and grey with floral patterns, and then there's yellow stripes in the center. Stunningly stylish kurta. The next one is a lovely subtle olive green. I mean, you would have never thought olive green will be paired with pink. With a dark blue you would, but the pink and dark blue sort of blend beautifully with the olive green. It's a very subtle combination, and the pink adds a dash of color. This also comes with a collar neck and a round V and bold bands of either pink and blue in the bottom. Just the last couple. This is a bright green, almost you could call it a parrot green. A parrot green with orange and pink stripe, and very, very beautiful looking. Look at how stylish it looks. The pink band has come in the center and then in the edge of the sleeves also. The last one of this collection, it's a beautiful dark blue. It's almost actually no, it's not even a navy blue. It's more like a royal blue, like the royal ink we all used to ride in, with yellow and bright red stripes. Look at the neckline. It's got that red leaf, which is done beautifully in the crossover neckline and also in the edge of the sleeves in the bottom of the kurta. With that, we come to the end of today's video. If you like this video, please click on the like button, follow us, and don't miss to hit the bell button so that you won't miss any of our drops. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you again in the next video.
For another bit of news for you, that we have also launched our app. So those of you who want to get a constant notifications on our uploads, please download the Avishya app. It's available on the Play Store and the Apple Store. Please download the app and you can be sure that all our updates come to you. Thank you.